Probably got this right where the rollers are. That's it, and now it's recording. And then, so yeah, this kit will hopefully, what it does, it protects the door and the frame when you spread it. Hardest thing is getting it together there. Then you have this, then you put it on the frame to protect it.
That's cool.
And then you put this in, and you put it, and then you look for the rollers. Probably got this right where the rollers are. I think that's a hook. So, where's the roller? Oh, hang on, this might be. Why is that in there? Ah, I know exactly what lock it is. This will open straight away now. It's a Millenco. If I... There we go, here's a Millenco. So I knew that because it had no rollers on it. So I had one of these the other day, so yeah. Excellent, got that open. So